also guard enterprise, improving everything.
One major problem, if not the biggest problem, for metaverse builders, investors, creators, is hiring proper developers, artists, and hiring their workforce. And one day, one of our clients asked me the following, and I'm gonna read the question now. Hey Drago, do you have any suggestions as how to vet individuals and companies out prior to working with them? To which I reply the following. In general, my main suggestion would be to start small and build up the relationship. This particular client, within their project, they had many cases of scammers, artists and programmers scamming them or doing a bad job. And by the way, this is a well-doing project, and you can only imagine what is awaiting for other clients, other projects that are much less experienced. So my next point would be things like websites, portfolio, presentations, success stories, reviews, all the things. Honestly, frankly, they can be faked nowadays, and people know that, and they are exploiting that, and nothing can exchange, can replace real life, real relationship. And so this is why I'm advising everybody, and even our clients. Like most of our clients, they come in when they have already been scammed or ripped off by their developers and artists. And I'm not pushing them, I'm not forcing them to hire me, hire us as a company to develop their metaverse. I just tell them, hey, we can start slow. It's fine. You've been scammed, you had bad experience, that etc. That's fine. We can start slow, no pressure whatsoever. And here's another advice that I would like to share. Try to find someone who can have your backed up, who can watch your back, someone who has prior experience developing projects, such as myself, our company, and others. Try to find someone who is an expert in their field. You don't necessarily have to hire them if they are a higher ticket when it comes to pricing. That's totally fine, just like our company. But it's very well worth paying whatever money, as long as you have some third party, some additional party to have your back, to give you the so-called second opinion, etc. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. See you around. Bye bye.